Yo, what's up? What's up? Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to all of you watching Bright Future TV at this time. Yes, I am back with another update, a great one. In fact, today's update is also one of the most important updates that we will share on this channel. Yes, especially for people who have protection speciale and those who have subsidiary protection. Yes, these are the reason why we are here. So as soon as you join, you have the notification. Make sure you also forward the notification to somebody else. I mean, share it to somebody to also join Bright Future TV. Many of you, when we're talking about one particular document, when they don't have that document, they don't watch. Yes, but don't forget that there's a time that you may have that document, or you may have a relative who will have that same document, that they will need this answer. So every video that we posted is very important for you all to, watch and share. Tell somebody also to have a feel of that information. Yes. Now, good evening and good afternoon. Happy Sunday to all of you watching Bright Future TV. As soon as you drop your comment, you see the comment on the screen. Yes, so keep dropping the comment and you see it on the screen. Thank you so much. So today's update is very, very important for people who have protection speciale and for people who have subsidiary protection. Now, previous years, I have started the news, so pay attention. Previous years, or let's say some years back, those of you who have subsidiary protection, when they have subsidiary protection from the commission or from the appeal, okay, they don't need to submit any document to apply for titolo di viaggio. No, they don't need it. But now things have changed, in case if you don't know, and this is causing a lot of problem. Many are losing their document. Many even are scared. Many don't know what to do. A lot of people are confused. Today we have the answer. Luckily enough, someone sent me, one lawyer sent me an email concerning this particular news. And that's the reason why I am to share this news with you. In fact, he gave me this information to share with the people that watches our channel. Now let's get started. If now you go to commission, okay, and you have subsidiary protection, after fingerprint, they will give you your subsidiary protection. But questioner will ask you, sometime even before they give you or after they have given you, questioner will ask you to go and bring your country passport. Yes, subsidiary protection. If in case you don't know, now you know. When you get the subsidiary protection, questioner will ask you to go and bring your country passport. If you are from Ghana, they will ask you to go and bring your Ghana passport. If you are from Nigeria, they will ask you to go and bring your Nigeria passport. If you are from South Africa or wherever that you are from, they will ask you to go and bring your country passport. Now, this is what is happening. So in case if you don't know, Bright Future TV, you are listening to me and I'm telling you what you need to know. Now, these are two things that you have to do. Many of you know that when you have subsidiary protection, you can't go to your embassy to go and bring your passport because you stand a chance of losing it. That's what most of us, in fact, every asylum seeker knows this. I am talking about subsidiary protection. Many of you know that when you have that document, it's going to be a problem for you to have your passport. Many of you thought like that. But things have changed. You have two options. Now, let me read from the email that was sent. Please like the video, okay, and share. Whilst I'm going to read from the email that was sent to me. Now, it says that release of travel documents for subsidiary protection. Don't forget that titolo di viaggio, the meaning in English is what is called travel document, okay? So it is titolo di viaggio or UN passport, as many of you know. So when I mention UN passport or titolo di viaggio or travel documents, don't be confused. They are all one particular thing. Now get this. It says that release of travel document for subsidiary protection. The issue of travel documents for holders of subsidiary protection is left to the evaluation of the immigration office. Please, my people, you heard this clear. It's left to the evaluation of the immigration office. It simply means that it is only questioner that will evaluate it, whether they should give you or whether they should tell you to go and bring your country passport. Now I'm reading. It says that the subsidiary protection is left to evaluate of the immigration office based on the personal situation of the foreign citizen. So it all depends on what? Your situation. You understand? For example, you that you are watching me, you go to commission, they gave you subsidiary protection. After getting the subsidiary protection, it then becomes the questioner, the duty of the questioner to evaluate whether you deserve to apply for the titolo di viaggio, or you should rather go to your embassy to request for your country passport. Now, only questioner have the right to tell you what you have to do. Now, let me read again. It says that, therefore, the interested party must submit to the immigration office or to the competent commissioners the form to justify the request of issue or renewal of the travel document for foreigners, in which the reason that do not allow him to apply for a passport must be indicated into the diplomatic authorities of one's own country, or attached the declaration of a consulate or embassy of the country of origin, in which the impossibility of issuing the passport is clarified. They have made this law simple and clear. Now, let me break it down for you. Please hit the like button and share. This information, you will not get it nowhere. Even me, myself, I never knew. If this lawyer didn't send me, I would never know. So please, I know the lawyer is also watching, whether I will talk about it. Yes. So please give this video more like, okay, and then share for us to get more information from these lawyers, okay? When they know that their information are very valuable to us or are important to us, that is when they will be giving us more information like this, because many people don't know. Now, let me break it down. What they are simply telling us is that it is only the questioner that can evaluate whether you can apply for the titolo di viaggio or the UN passport, or whether you should go to your embassy to go and bring to apply for your passport. If you say you cannot apply for your country passport, you cannot tell them just like that, but you have to go to your consulate or your embassy to bring a document that is called a clarification. When you go to your embassy, they know what I'm talking about. It is a clarification letter or a paper that will describe why you can't apply for your country passport, or why the embassy think you can't apply for your country passport. So the duty now becomes you and your embassy. You have the right, since the questioner has given you that opportunity, that go and bring your country passport, and you personally don't want to, or you know the reason why you don't want to. When you go to your embassy have to put it down in a paper with their stamp and with their signature, stating or clarifying the reason why you cannot apply for the your country passport. After that, you submit it back to the questura. After submitting it, questura have to contact you to come and apply for the titolo di viaggio. Very simple. So those who could apply without having any problem have the right to apply for their country passport attached to their subsidiary protection without not losing your rights as subsidiary protection holder, because they have already told you to go and apply for your country passport, and you brought it. There was no problem. Those who think they cannot should not tell the questioner with the amount, but go to their embassy and let the embassy make a clarification. This is subsidiary protection holders, with all due respect. I don't want any of you to be confused. That's why I keep on saying it. Now, that is done. Let's go back to protection especially. There's one particular thing people don't know. Me, myself, I never knew. Through this email that the lawyer sent me, makes me know. Do you know that subsidiary protection and protection especially are now becoming, not now, like they are just like brother and nephew or brother and cousin? Okay, yes, that is how they are, but they are not the same. Remember that protection special is 2 years and subsidiary is 5 years. Okay, subsidiary is being given to people who don't deserve international protection but still deserve a protection. Okay, so don't forget that. Now, those of you who also have protezione speciale, I never knew that they can also apply for passport. That is the UN passport. Yes, you can also apply. The law has made it clear. You can also apply. Many of you apply for this protezione speciale in questura without not bringing any passport. Yes, you can also apply after you have received the plastic. You can also apply. Now, listen to the instruction that the lawyer sent. It says that the app. Okay, let me go down. I think it's this right. Yes, issue of no. Yes, issue of travel documents for holders of special cases or special protection. So in these cases, people with casi speciale and protezione speciale, they can also request for titolo di viaggio. Yes, it's amazing. It's very, very. I mean, I love this information. It's very deep. Like the video, share, and tell a friend to also join on this platform and subscribe. If today is your first time on this platform, please don't forget to subscribe and share our video. Click on that small bell button, okay? After clicking the bell button, put it in all notifications so that anytime we are on live or anytime I post a video, you will also be the first person to get our information. God will forever bless you. Now, let me explain to you. You said that the issue of the travel document for holders of subsidiary protection is left. Oh no, I'm making them. Okay, for protezione speciale, it's left to the evaluating of the immigration office based on the personal situation of the foreign citizen. Therefore, the interested party, it's just the same. It is just the same as the subsidiary protection new information that is coming. They are all the same. Now, if you are also having protezione speciale, okay, and you think that you can't apply for your country passport, then it is your right also to go to your embassy or go to your consulate to tell them to give you a declaration. That declaration need to declare that so person, that is the person's name, cannot by any way or by any chance apply for his or her country passports. Yes, after getting this declaration, there is going to be a stamp of the embassy or the consulate with their signature, and then they will give it to you to submit the original copy into the questura. Now, have you ever thought of when the 5-year documents expire and you still want to renew again? Many of you, when you want to renew, you also have to what? Apply or renew that same titolo di viaggio passport again. But this time, when Questura tells you that you should also go and bring that, Questura have the right to tell you that you should go and bring your country passport whilst the document has expired and you want to renew. Don't forget, it is also the same. They have to still state, okay, the reason why you can't bring your country passport or you can't apply for your own country passport, but rather you can apply for the titolo di viaggio from the Questura. And don't forget, your country passport even costs more than what the UN passport costs. UN passport costs just 42 euro. 42 euro. Okay, and the 42 euro 22 cents, and then the country passport, some even cost 450. Yes, I know, 450, 200. Before you finish everything, plenty money is gone. So, guys, these are the most important information that we got from one of our lawyer to share with all of you. Okay, please kindly like this video and share so that we can get more information from them, information that are deep, that are going to help us. Okay, now let me state this here. It's not part of the news, but I have to tell you, assegno unico for families who have children. Okay, you have to go and make your ISE from January. Your ISE, you have to renew your ISE from January. Okay, yes, after renewing your ISE in January, according to the news that we are getting, they said that the assegno unico will expire somewhere in March. The one that you applied this year will be expiring next March. So you have to go and reapply the assegno unico again. Or I don't know, they were saying maybe it's going to be automatic, But now the most important thing for you to do in January is to get your easy done. Okay, yes, it's very, very important. Thank you so much for watching Bright Future TV. Please, if you have not liked the video, please do us a favor and like the video, share, and tell a friend to also subscribe on this Bright Future TV platform. Don't forget, we are on TikTok. Please follow us on TikTok. Let us get to 1,000 followers so we can also make live there. I mean, show more updates over there also as well. Thank you so much for following Bright Future TV. God forever bless you. Salutes. Okay, Home Pillar, you said something. Let me see. You said, what about those of us who are having protection special and already applied for passport? There's no problem. If you already have your passport, have your passport. It doesn't change nothing, Home Pillar. Yes, I'm talking about those who think they can't apply for their country passport. Yes, you can't have your country passport and at the same time apply for titolo de viaje. No, you will be arrested. Okay. Great man says, good evening, bro. How is your family? My family is doing very, very wonderful. God bless you, bro, for asking. Okay, thank you too, guys. Salutes.